Now today we will continue exercise 12.3 areas related to circle. So we have already done till question number 4. Now today we will start from question number 5 today. So in question number 5, exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3, question number 5. Question number 5. So in question number 5, from each corner of square of side 4 centimeter, there is a square of side 4 centimeter. There is a square of side 4 centimeter. From each corner of square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. From each corner, quadrant is cut out. From here, now the radius of quadrant is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. From here also, from each corner, this is 1 centimeter radius. 1 centimeter. Here also, same 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. From here also 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Also cut a circle of diameter 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter is cut out as shown in the figure. The figure is given. Now it is the circle of diameter 2 centimeter. So diameter of this circle is 2 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the area of remaining portion. So remaining portions are, this portion is cut out, 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 and this circle also cut out. Now remaining portions are left. These portions are left. These shaded portions are left. We need to calculate the left portion or remaining portion of from the given figure. Okay, first we have to mention whatever is given in the figure. So radius of each quadrant, radius of each quadrant it is r 1 centimeter, and then what is the diameter of circle? It is 2 centimeter. Diameter of circle is 2 centimeter. Diameter of circle equals to 2 centimeter. Now we need to calculate the radius also. So radius of circle r equals to, it is also 1 centimeter. That means radius of quadrant is equals to the radius of circle. Now we can calculate the area of remaining portion. So side of square is also given. Side of square A equals to 4 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate the area of cutting part. Area of cutting part. So area of cutting part is area of circle plus 4 into area of quadrant. Area of circle plus area of 4 into quadrant. After that we have to subtract that part from the area of square. Area of square. That means area of square minus inside the bracket area of circle plus area of 4 quadrant gives the area of remaining portion. Therefore, area of remaining portion equals to area of square minus inside the bracket area of circle plus area of 4 quadrant Now apply the formula. What is the area of square? It is side square a square minus, so area of circle is pi r square, plus there are 4 quadrant, that's why 4 times of 1 by 4 pi r square. So this equals to a square minus inside the bracket pi r square. We can cut this pi r square plus pi r square. A square minus pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. So we can say that area of 4 quadrant is equals to the area of circle, because the quadrant is the 1/4 of the circle. Area of 4 quadrant gives the area of circle. So it is area of circle. Pi r square is the area of circle. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. Now we have to put the values. What is A? 4. 4 square minus 2 into value of pi is 22/7, and the radius is 1 into 1. It is in centimeter square. Now 4 is 16. 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 22 is 44, into 1 is 44, into 1 is 44, divided by 7 centimeter square. Now take LCM. 7 is LCM. 7 6 42, 7 1 7 11 minus 44 centimeter square. Now this equals to 112 minus 44. 112 minus 44 is 12 minus 4 is 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this equals to 68/7 centimeter square. Now this is the answer of question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is, in a circular table, cover of radius 32 centimeter. So radius of the circular cover is 32 centimeter. A design is formed. These are the designs formed leaving an equilateral triangle. By leaving equilateral triangle, there is a design which is formed. Equilateral triangle is ABC. This is equilateral triangle in the middle as shown in the figure. So find the area of design. Area of design. Inside the bracket there is given shaded region. So if you have shaded region in your book, please cut that shaded region. Only you have to calculate the area of design. So first we have to make a radius. So radius is 32 centimeter. It is O. 32 centimeter. From OB is 32, OC is 32, OA is 32. Now we have to first calculate the central angle. So these three angles are equal. We can see that this portion is the sector, means there are three sectors. If we subtract the triangles, three triangles from the three sectors, we will get the area of design. If we subtract three triangles from three sectors, we will get the area of design. So first we will write the radius. radius r is 32 centimeter. Now for central angle theta equals to 360 divided by 3. Why? Because these 3 radius divides 360 into 3 equal parts, divides into 3 equal parts, 3 equal sectors. This 3 radius makes 3 equal sectors. Means 3 equal sectors means these 3 angles are equal. So this equals to 120 degree. Now we can calculate the area of design. Therefore, area of design equals to area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors minus area of 3 triangles. Area of 3 triangles. So area of 3 sector means 3 into area of sector. So this equals to 3 into area of sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of 3 triangle means 3 into half r square sine theta. So 3 is 3 times theta is 120 degree divided by 360 degree into value of pi is 22/7. 22/7 into radius is 32 into 32 minus 3 into 1/2 into 32 into 32 into sine 120 degree. So we can put here this 0 0 cancel, 12 1 12, 12 3 36. Again we can put 3 3. So this equals to 22/7 into 1024, because the multiplication of 32 into 32 is 1024 minus 3 into 1/2 into 32 into 32. Now what is the value of sine 120? I already told you that sine 60 degree equals to sine 120 degree equals to root 3 by 2. So this equals to root under 3 by 2. Now again we can put 212, 216, 212, 216. This equals to 1024, 2048, 8402, 82522. This equals to 22 into 1024 is 22,528. 22528 divided by 7 minus, now 16 into 16, 256. 256 into 3, 3 6 18, 3 5 15, 16, 3 2 6 7, 768 root under 3. This is the answer. Centimeter square. Okay, let's check multiplication of 22 into 1024. 1024 into 22. 248, 224, 200, 212 into 248, 224, 200, 212. 8 2 5 2 2. Okay.